Hey everyone, this is EIO back again with another video, and today we will have a quick look on the new Mi 11. And yes, what you are looking at the moment is not the box of iPhone 12. This is Xiaomi Mi 11 box lacking a charger and all other stuffs. You have to pay for a charger, but not that much because a charger can be bought separately for only $11. Okay, now let's talk about the highlights. The Mi 11 is the world's first Snapdragon 888 powered smartphone. It comes with a great display, premium speakers, great cameras and lots more. Let's start from the screen department. The Mi 11 has a 6.8-inch curved display with a hole in the top left corner of the screen, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. It has now a sharper 2K resolution, which is something really premium. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate and a whopping 480Hz touch sampling rate, which is just mind-blowing. Well, if this is not enough, then another good news is that this display has been awarded with A+ certificate, which is the highest rating for any display. The phone is looking really slim and sleek, providing a comfortable grip. Xiaomi has slightly reduced the battery capacity from that of its predecessor, but you get a big bump in the fast charging technology. So you have a 4600 mAh battery on this phone with support for 55W fast wired charging and 50W fast wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. Let me repeat again, 55W fast wired charging, 50W fast wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. It also supports Quick Charge 4+, Quick Charge 3+, and Power Delivery 3.0. As you can see, the design of this phone is really gorgeous. It has a 4-curve design, curved display and a curved back to make it comfortable when it held. The back has a gradient glass metal sandwich design which looks really striking. So kind of a very premium standard design, although the curved display is something which is not feared by many like me too. And I am still a fan of a flat display, but anyways. The phone is powered by the greatest as well as the latest, the 5nm Snapdragon 888 chipset, which is probably the world's fastest. It is paired with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 high-speed storage. It also has in-display fingerprint sensor and support for high-quality latest gen stereo speakers, which are just amazing. The phone runs on the latest MIUI along with Android 11. It has 3 cameras on the back. The main camera is a 108MP sensor, which is a 7p lens. There is a 13MP super wide angle lens with a 123 degrees of field of view, and the third camera is a 5MP 50nm telephoto macro camera. The front facing camera is a 20MP sensor. The phone also comes with 8K video recording and features like cinematic lens and professional mode. And last but the most important, it lacks a 3.5mm jack, which is really disappointing. So that's all for this video. Let me know your opinions about this latest big boy phone by Xiaomi in comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.